friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be making roasted sweet potato cubes in an air fryer. What we need for this recipe are sweet potatoes, olive oil, and any seasonings you'd like. I'm just going to use cinnamon. So the first step would be to cut the sweet potatoes into cubes. If you'd like, you can peel the sweet potatoes, or you can just leave the peel on. Just make sure you scrub the sweet potatoes and wash them well beforehand. I'm not going to peel them. I will just cut them with a peel. So first step would be to cut off the ends of the sweet potatoes and discard. And now I'm going to slice the sweet potatoes into rounds. And cut each round into pieces. And once you cut the sweet potato, you can just put it straight in the air fryer. And now I will cut the second potato. So again, cut off the ends. And cut it into rounds. And cut each round into pieces. The easiest way is to just cut it into 4 pieces. And now let's add olive oil and seasonings. So first I'll sprinkle it with seasonings. In my case it's cinnamon. And next I will add olive oil. And then toss to combine so the sweet potatoes are coated with oil and seasoning on all sides. And now let's put the basket in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 400 degrees. And I will set the time to 20 minutes. Now halfway through cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and shake the potatoes so they cook evenly. Put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking the sweet potatoes, so let's take a look. Look at these perfectly roasted sweet potatoes. They look so good. And I didn't even have to peel them. Just makes it so much easier. Perfectly roasted sweet potatoes, so quick and easy with the air fryer. Now let's try it. They're perfectly cooked, so tender. Very tender. Tastes amazing. These sweet potatoes are so delicious, naturally sweet, perfectly roasted. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.